What's better when it comes to settling a bad debt on your credit? Settling the full amount due or settling it for less? In other words, what's better when it comes to affecting the overall credit score? Or what's better on how it could affect your overall buying power or how the lender decisions your loan? Well, let's answer that question. It doesn't make a difference. It is the same. A settled debt for less should result in the same thing as a settled debt in full, and that's a zero balance reporting on that trade line. And again, now let's make sure we understand this. This is on specific debts that it does make sense to settle. And if you're following my videos, you will see and learn that there's certain debts you don't want to settle. It can actually, whether you settle it or settle it for less, will absolutely drop the credit score. However, when we're talking about those specific accounts, like a rolling charged off credit card, settling it for less is not going to make any difference than if you paid the full amount due. Well, but Dennis, what about the verbiage? The lender said, or that collection agency told me that they're going to put on there, this account was settled for less than the amount due. Listen, nobody cares. The lender doesn't care. The algorithm, the FICO Classic algorithm, or any of the algorithms also do not care. It is going to treat your score the same. So save the money. Well, Dennis, I just want to do the right thing and feel like I need to pay the whole thing off. Then fine. If you want to pay all this extra compounding interest and these penalties and everything that compounded on top of that, and because you feel like you're going to sleep better at night, then go ahead. But frankly, that's silly. Keep in mind, that furnisher charged and wrote that debt off, which means this, it's a loss, which means this, anything they get is then a gain. So come on now, settle it for less. If they take 30 cents on the dollar and it makes sense to the credit score to do that, settle for less. Don't worry about the verbiage. If they even put it on there, it's not going to make a bit of difference in your credit score, and it's not going to make a bit of difference on how that lender decisions the loan. Well, hold on, Dennis. The lender sees that I paid less, and then they're going to use that against me. Today's lender is handcuffed to the credit score, and believe me, they do not care. How do you know this, Dennis? Because we deal with thousands and thousands of clients a year in exactly this regard. They don't care. It does not matter. It's all about the credit score at the end of the day. And this is not a shot against your character. Quit thinking your credit score and your bad debt in your past should line up with your integrity or your character, because it does not. Okay? It was a storm. You're picking up the pieces. You're going forward. You settled the debt. Great. Congratulations. And if you got a score benefit out of it, fantastic. Hope that blesses you. I'll talk to you soon.